Hello, my name is Hannah Unrein and this is my syllabus questionnaire video. The first question is, what is the purpose of this course? I put that the purpose of the course is to learn about some of the issues of reading instruction in language arts of children of different ages. It also is to cover the attainment of language and development of reading. And the course will focus on theories, strategies, methods, and materials. The second question is, how do you contact the instructor? I put that you can contact the instructor by email. The email is bwalizer@fhsu.edu. You can contact the instructor by phone. Her number is 785-638-5579. Her office hours on campus are Monday through Wednesday, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. And her office is 243 Rare Call. You can also contact her by email or by phone to set up an appointment to meet with her at different times that aren't office hours. What textbook is required? The two textbooks that are required are Teaching Reading in Today's Elementary Schools and 50 Literacy Strategies Step by Step. The ones that are optional and readings or blogs are When Kids Can't Read, What Teachers Can Do, Locating and Correcting Reading Difficulties, and Teaching Children to Read. And work will not be accepted late in this class. When an assignment is considered late, what is the consequence for turning in a late assignment? The assignment is considered late after the due date, and your assignment will not be accepted if it's past the due date. The final exam and post-test are due on May 11th, and no tests or exams will not be accepted late. When and why should you contact the student affairs? This would be to report an absent or to get services for disabilities that you may have. For an example, which I'll probably never have to contact them, would be like if I got sick with like influenza super bad or got sick with something and was in the hospital, so I was unable to even have my computer do any work at all. What is the Department of Teacher Education definition of plagiarism? How does it affect you? Their definition is copying someone's work and turning it in as my own. It'll affect me because it would go on my file and it's not tolerated in the program or at Fort Hays at all. The disposition policy is based on professional educators' values. It shows that the necessary records will be kept, such as plagiarism or other important things, and it can kind of focus on like respect and professionalism. The grade appeal policy, that all students have the right to question grades in this department. This would affect me that if I had a question about a grade that I received, I have the right to ask why and contact my teacher to find out. The communication policy states that when communicating with my teacher, I need to use proper English and grammar. This could be speaking or emailing with a professor. The grading scale policy, it relies on the learner. So kind of like what skills that I show. If I've showed I've learned anything, if I don't show I learned anything, then probably not going to get a good grade. The amount of points that you need to get an A are 445 to 479. A B is 407 to 444.99, and a C is 364 to 406.99 points. What grade does a candidate earn? So if you're less than 1 point below the higher grade, your grade will be bumped up. So if I had 406.5, I would be bumped up to a B because I landed on a C. The letter grade that I must earn is a C. I read that it'll seriously impact my grade if I miss assignments and don't do them. What I kind of put, I don't know if I got that one right, but like that I'm taking the online classes and I need to keep up with them each week and keep up with the assignments that need to be due on the certain deadlines that I've been given. The technology requirements are the computer requirements, which my computer meets all the requirements that is needed for the course. If I have technology problems, I should contact the technology services at Fort Hays State University, or my cousin also works on computers and stuff, so I could also go there if it's problems with my actual computer and not just like assignments and Blackboard and stuff. If I don't use an adult over 18 or older, or 2 to 5 adults 18 or older, it won't be accepted or graded, and it says that that's what you need, so that's what you need. And you also need to make the lesson diverse for different needs of kids. A few things that I think that are important in becoming a professional educator are dressing professional, like don't show up to work in inappropriate clothes, don't wear inappropriate clothes in public, just kind of being professional about it and making sure I'm covered. Another way would be like social media, because even if you think it's blocked or no one can view it, it is social media and anybody can view it if they want to or need to. So being appropriate on social media and knowing that that can be looked at any time. Also, I think like getting into my field now and working at a school will help me in the future with things, and like learning how to communicate with parents and coworkers and other teachers and stuff is very important. The due dates and stuff, I put them on here. So a blog is due every week, and then the first 7 weeks there's more due, and then on the 9th week there's a formal lesson plan that I need to develop with my mentor, and then the final exam is due on May 11th. Thank you.